Good evening and a very warm welcome once again to RTV News. I'm Gloria Mutesi. This Tuesday, the Office of the First Lady Jeannette Kagame received a donation of medical supplies from the First Lady of the People's Republic of China to assist Rwanda in the fight against COVID, especially among the vulnerable groups. Fiona Mbabazi kicks off tonight's bulletin with this story.
The People's Republic of China has applauded Rwanda for its efforts in combating the COVID-19 pandemic and says that through continued collaborations, the fight against COVID would be successful. The donation was handed over by Ms. Xing Yuchen, political counselor in the Chinese embassy in Rwanda, where she explains more.
This medical supply has come from Chinese government as a token of friendship to Rwandan government and people, and especially from our First Ladies to Rwandan First Ladies office to help, Rwanda women, children, and also the young men to fight against the coronavirus. Because, we do cherish, we get the invaluable support from Rwanda in the last several months at the height of Chinese fighting against the virus. So we do hope with this help, we Chinese can stand together with Rwandans to fight against the virus.
The advisor to the First Lady, Radegon Dejuru, explains that the First Lady, Her Excellency Jeannette Kagame, has prioritized the fight against the pandemic and handed over the equipment to the Ministry of Health for further distribution. Rwanda Biomedical Center Director General Dr. Sabe Nsanzimana says that collaboration is key in the fight against this pandemic.
It's more important to look at it in this partnership, solidarity, exchange, and friendship that is around this donation. So we're learning all from each other. We've learned from China experience in managing this pandemic, but more importantly, we are together against this pandemic. Testing is the most important element in fighting any pandemic. And no one can tell that has a full capacity of testing. It's something that changes every day as the epidemic grows or expands. So every day there's an improvement, every day there's a learning lesson, every day there's a science about testing capacities, but also beyond. Testing alone cannot do everything. Testing is actually informed from surveillance, and from testing you do treatment, and it's a cycle. So we keep improving, and we keep exchange and partnership always make it better, because this virus doesn't have any border, any limit.
To date, Rwanda is among the leading countries in fighting COVID-19.